Hello everybody, thank you for getting here on time. Mr. Clinch is meeting our VIP client, so I'll hold the weekly meeting. So on today's agenda, first, welcome our new teammate Jessica Nord. Second, discuss last week's results. Third, make up a strategy for the current week. Does everybody agree? Yes, Anna, it's perfect. Shall we start with Jessica? Yeah, you guys have already met her. Me, not yet. Great, here is she coming. Be nice, she seems to be very sweet. Good morning, everybody. Sorry for being late. The time flies at work. Don't tell me you have started working. Not really, just sent a couple of emails. Okay, so Jessica, we all are looking forward to know you better. So, could you tell us a bit about yourself, please? Sure, with pleasure. I'm Jessica Nord. I was born in Los Angeles, but my parents moved to New York for business when I was 10. I like living in New York, but I miss the sun and the ocean. So, after the school, I entered the University of California Business Department and successfully finished it 2 years ago. Then I got my first 2 year contract with Global Trade. I worked there as a sales assistant too. It was a great experience and I even was on business trip once. Oh, really? Where did you go? I was in Paris at International Business Forum. Nice. We also have got French clients. Do you speak French? Yes, I do. I love this language. Perfect. You'll help us a lot as French clients don't speak much English. And there was nobody in our company who speaks French. What a great news! Phrases to remember. Thank you for getting here on time. On today's agenda, first, second, third. She seems to be very sweet. Sorry for being late. Time flies at work.